Congratulations! You have purchased one of our many web hosting plans. The first step to creating your ideal website is logging in to your client's dashboard area. To do so, navigate to hosting.uk. Once on the home page, select Sign in the top navigation bar on the right hand side. Enter the email address and password that was used upon registration. Upon logging in, you will be met with the client's dashboard area. Within the dashboard are useful tools. Under services, you can access your cPanel, webmail, and make adjustments to your billing plan. Under domain, you can manage name servers, register or transfer new domains. Create, view or respond to support tickets under tickets. View all invoices under invoice. Thank you for watching. Check out our other video tutorials for more useful tips.